in order to lead this kind of a lifestyle, do we have to give up our ordinary life just like you did?
Well, now you know that there's a part-time duty and whole-time duty. So which one you like better? It depends on your choice. So more you are whole-timer or whole-time duty, so more you gain the enlightenment speed and fast. Being a lay person also, you can, practice Buddhism, Theravada Buddhism. There is no harm, there is no hard and fast rule that each and everybody must renounce his household life or lay life. No. The Buddha doesn't say that everyone must renounce the whole household life. But the thing is, the main point here is, now more you are free from your duties and responsibilities, more you are free from your obstacles, hindrances, So being a monk is, you are more trying to be free from your household duties and responsibilities and hindrances, obstacles, So Buddha has compared a lay life like full of obstacles, entangled with so many duties and responsibilities. A monk life is compared as a free bird in the sky, where there is no bondage. You are not entangled with certain, specific duties and responsibility that is common in lay life. So monk life is more free, and it's like whole time duty. So when you have enough time, so you can develop your mind, you can, purify your mind faster than a layman who is more, entangled in other duties and responsibilities. So this is what difference. So choice is yours.